request to do Dundonald Road, and we turn right here. We're into Toynbee Road, which leads to Dundonald. Well, it's about 8:45. It's only 9 degrees. It's still a nice clear sky. The sun's quite low on my right. A nice clear sky. The sun's quite low on my right. In Wimbledon we have plenty of these traffic calming devices, 20 miles an hour, speed bumps, chicanes. Okay, you see this Merton Hall Road left and right. And now we're into Dundonald Road. Coming up on the right is Dundonald Recreation Ground. And just past there, I think it's called Dundonald Primary School. No doubt I'll be corrected if not. This one here. Up there you'll see the traffic lights. That is actually a crossing. It used to be the train crossing, but now it's the tram link crossing. And because most of the trains, most of the tram lines here are old train lines, we're going across now. But when you go to Croydon, the tram line is actually on the road. Okay, Wimbledon Bridge House, as I was reliably informed, was just there. Back onto the one-way system here. I think that's the pub front. Say that was oh, it's bright then, sun. Okay, I'm going to go back around the one-way system and go into Gladstone Road, which has been a request. The sun is bright. Okay, this is technically Gladstone Road. Live here now. Parking's a nightmare. Remember Bertram Cottages on the right here. Cannon Road on the left, back to my old senior school. This is one way now. Except for that car there. For some reason it was facing the wrong way. Fire station on the left, relatively new. Remember, it used to be in Queen's Road. On the left, I used to live, there's some houses, shops I used to live behind. There, I used to cross the road there when I was about 4 years old, and there's no problem at all. Traffic wasn't invented in those days. Anybody who's been away a long time, this has changed. Amazingly so. Okay, let's turn left here to Hayden's Road.